The Dodgers aren't just winning on the field, they're making big moves off it as well. As they gear up to spend $100 million on stadium renovations, Dodger Stadium is getting a massive glow-up, promising to enhance both the player and fan experience. But with opening day just around the corner, the big question remains: will it be ready in time? Let's take a closer look. Dodger Stadium isn't just a baseball park, it's a place where history is made. From Sandy Koufax's perfect game, to Fernando Valenzuela's magical rookie season in the 80s, and of course last year's World Series glory, the stadium has witnessed some of baseball's most unforgettable moments. When it first opened in April 1962, Dodger Stadium wasn't just the largest ballpark in Major League Baseball, it was one of the most advanced. Inspired by Disneyland's guest experience, the Dodgers implemented spacious concourses, state-of-the-art sightlines, and efficient parking trams to handle the massive crowds. But as baseball evolved, so did Dodger Stadium. In 1975, the original wooden seats were replaced with modern plastic seating, giving the ballpark a fresh, updated look. By the early 2000s, more changes were on the way. Between 2003 and 2005, the Dodgers introduced LED video displays, upgraded field-level seating, and restored the original 1962 seat colors, blending nostalgia with modern comfort. The first major wave of upgrades in modern times came in 2012, marking the beginning of the Guggenheim era. With a $150 million investment, the Dodgers set out to modernize several key aspects of the stadium, including entry gates, retail spaces, and concession areas. This renovation also introduced high-definition video boards, a new sound system, expanded concourses, improved restrooms, and an upgraded clubhouse, ensuring both fans and players had a more immersive experience. However, at this stage, the now iconic Centerfield Plaza did not yet exist. The improvements focused primarily on accessibility, seating enhancements, and in-stadium amenities, rather than creating an entirely new entertainment space. That would change in 2020, when a $100 million renovation completely transformed the outfield experience, introducing the Centerfield Plaza, a 2.5-acre fan hub that became the stadium's new front door. This area introduced food halls, interactive play areas, a beer garden, a music venue, and the Legends of Dodger baseball exhibits. New pedestrian bridges and elevators were also added, improving circulation and accessibility across all levels of the stadium. Now, with another $100 million on the table, the Dodgers are taking things even further, focusing on player and fan experience upgrades. For the existing Centerfield Plaza, this time the changes aren't about creating something new from scratch, but enhancing what already works. New food concepts, interactive technology, and expanded entertainment options are being introduced, ensuring the plaza continues to be a must-visit part of the stadium experience. While the plaza improvements will be noticeable, the biggest changes for 2025 are happening where most fans never go: the player facilities. The home clubhouse is being expanded by 40%, creating a more modern, spacious, and high-tech environment for the players. The renovation includes new locker rooms, updated showers, and an upgraded weight room to keep the team at peak performance. A second indoor batting cage is also being built, allowing players more flexibility during warm-ups and training. Meanwhile, the visitor clubhouse is also getting a major facelift, ensuring Dodger Stadium remains up to Major League Baseball's latest facility standards. On the fan experience side, the video boards are being upgraded, with the main screens increasing by 22% in size and 66% more active display area, bringing better visibility and more dynamic replays. The sound system is also being improved, utilizing directional audio technology to enhance in-game sounds while minimizing noise spillover into surrounding neighborhoods. Navigating the stadium is about to get much easier too. New elevators and pedestrian bridges will connect different stadium levels, improving overall accessibility. The restrooms are expanding, increasing capacity and incorporating all gender facilities for greater inclusivity. For families, a new children's play area is being introduced in center field, ensuring that parents can enjoy the game while their kids have a dedicated space to run, play, and stay engaged. While these renovations focus on immediate improvements, there's also a bigger picture at play. Dodger Stadium is preparing to host events for the 2028 Summer Olympics, and many of these infrastructure upgrades, from enhanced Wi-Fi and cellular networks to energy-efficient LED lighting and waterless urinals, are being made with the long-term future in mind. With opening day on March 27, 2025 against the Detroit Tigers, the countdown is on to complete this latest wave of renovations. And while the timeline is tight, one thing is certain. When fans walk through the gates for the new season, Dodger Stadium will feel more modern, accessible, and immersive than ever before, all while maintaining its classic 1962 charm. While Dodger Stadium's $100 million renovation is transforming the ballpark itself, there's another potential game-changer on the horizon, one that could redefine how fans get to the stadium in the first place. For decades, getting to Dodger Stadium has been a nightmare. Anyone who's attended a game knows the struggle. Bumper-to-bumper traffic, packed parking lots, and long waits to leave after the final pitch. The stadium's location in Chavez Ravine makes it scenic, but it also makes it one of the most isolated venues in Major League Baseball when it comes to public transportation access. That's where the Dodger Stadium Gondola project comes in. A $500 million privately funded aerial transit system proposed by Los Angeles Aerial Rapid Transit, LART, this project aims to connect Union Station to Dodger Stadium. The idea is simple. Instead of sitting in traffic, fans would board a high-speed cable car that would glide over the city, cutting the typical commute time from 40-plus minutes in traffic to just 7 minutes. The gondola would be able to transport 5,500 fans per hour, moving thousands of people quickly and efficiently while reducing congestion on nearby streets. Although the Dodgers' current ownership, Guggenheim Baseball Management, publicly supports the project, they are not directly involved in its development. The real driving force behind the gondola is former Dodgers owner Frank McCourt, who still owns the stadium's parking lots even after selling the team in 2012. His company, Los Angeles Aerial Rapid Transit, LART, is financing the entire project, leading to speculation that the gondola is part of a larger plan to develop the stadium's 18,889-space parking lot into commercial real estate. It will be a 1.2-mile aerial route featuring 3 main stations: Union Station, the city's largest transit hub; Chinatown, Los Angeles State Historic Park; Dodger Stadium, Centerfield Plaza entrance. Each 30 to 40-person cabin would depart every 23 seconds. The system would be free for ticket holders, while non-game day riders would pay a metro fare of $1.75. Unlike traditional transit systems, the gondola would operate year-round with 14-hour daily service. As of February 2025, the gondola has cleared key environmental reviews and construction could begin in the next few months, pending final city and state approvals. The goal is to have the stadium fully operational before the 2028 Summer Olympics, where Dodger Stadium will host baseball events. With $100 million in stadium upgrades and a potential aerial gondola system, Dodger Stadium is entering a new era of transformation. Whether it's modernizing player facilities, improving the fan experience, or solving LA's infamous traffic problem, one thing is clear: the Dodgers are building for the future. Now the only question is, will it all be ready in time? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MegaBuilds stories.